Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an authentic review of something that I have personally been using every single morning for the past 45 days or so, Nordic Naturals EPA supplements. So this is a high-intensity omega-3 EPA, promotes mood, heart health, and supports immune function. So actually right now, as I'm making this video, I actually have a little bit of a cold because the seasons are changing up here in Michigan. And I also was under the understanding that I don't like fish. So I don't consume enough omega-3 fatty acids. And that's literally, if you didn't know, look it up. That is what your brain literally runs on. And I knew that I was not getting enough in it. So I decided to go ahead and get this. It is considered the #1 fish oil brand in the US. There are 60 soft gels. And like I said, I do not like fish. I do not like the taste of fish unless it's like mahi-mahi tacos. These I have been taking for the past month. And I'm not going to lie, they're a little big. I wish they were smaller because I have to like chug a lot of water to get this down. It's a little bit of a horse pill in my opinion, but it works. I do not taste fish whatsoever. This is the only fish oil pill I can ever say that about because I've had my fair share and I hated all of them. This does not taste like that. Let's get into a little bit more about the product itself. EPA Xtra offers high-intensity levels of omega-3 for brain health, mood, immunity, and cellular function. Certified sustainable, it provides better absorption. There's no fishy aftertaste. It literally says that, and I 100% can confirm. They want you to take 2 soft gels daily with food. I personally take these in the morning with like my protein shake or the breakfast that I'm having. It has 25 calories in it. I will want to say that because sometimes they are 0 calories depending on what you choose. Total fat is 2.5 grams in the serving size of 2 capsules, which is 3% of your considered daily value. And it also comes in a lemon flavor. So I don't know. I mean, I can't guarantee by any means, but it's something that I added to my regimen and you might want to as well.